guys, John Haas here at Warrior Fitness Gym in Hainesport, New Jersey, www.warriorfitness.org, and bringing to you today another edition of Warrior Q&A. I got a question from my buddy Sandro, and he was asking if I had any strategies or advice on how to deal with anxiety. So one of the, and real quick background story, I used to be very, very shy. I used to kind of have almost a generalized anxiety in lots of different social situations. So, anything from reading aloud in class when I was in high school, used to make my palms sweat and my heartbeat elevate and, get all flustered and stuff, to, going on a job interview or stuff like that. So, and now I'm here, talking to you guys on YouTube, no problem. I do teach seminars all the time. I do public speaking. I give presentations, teach classes regularly. So, I was definitely able to overcome that type of anxiety. So, my advice is twofold. The first thing is, we have to look at how the body influences the mind. And it's pretty easy to see, if you see somebody with their shoulders hunched and their chest caved in and they're kind of, looking down, what does that tell you about their mental state, right? They're depressed, and their body reinforces that action. So if you have them kind of roll the shoulders back, open the chest up, expand the chest, lift their head up, crown up, chin down, open this up a little bit, they can breathe, they can get more air down further into the body, and they can start to kind of feel a little bit better, more energetic, and more confident. So, so your posture is part of it, but also your breathing. As you start to, if you're going to walk into that meeting or that first date or whatever it is that's causing you the anxiety, you start to feel like your heartbeat's increasing and maybe your vision is doing one of these, depending on how severe the anxiety is or the stress. You want to work on actively exhaling, and we've talked about this a lot, especially in my program, Your Voluntary Breathing. You can check that out on my website. But for this, what you want to do is lower your heart rate and your blood pressure through your breathing. So you're going to actively exhale. Your pelvis is going to tuck up a little bit, your shoulders. Your goal is to use the body to squeeze that core, squeeze the breath out, and exhale. So you're going to, and then relax, allow the air to come back in. So you're going to do that a few times, as many times as it takes to lower your heart rate. And you even want to and pause a little bit after the exhalation to lower it even more. And then allow the air to come back, okay? The other thing is your face. As you start to get stressed, your face is going to start to scrunch up and your shoulders scrunch up and you kind of get this tension creeping in. Relax your face. Just take your hands and relax the muscles in your face, and then take your shoulders, scrunch them up real tight, and then relax, okay? There. So if your face is tight and tense, your whole body starts to get tense. So relax your face, your shoulders, your breathing, and then go with your mind is the second component. You want to be confident in the situation that you're going into. So tell yourself, normally we tell ourselves, oh, I don't know, this is going to be scary. And you know what? When you think it's true, it is true. So tell yourself, this is going to be great. I'm going to do awesome. If it's a job interview, I'm going to be able to elucidate all my points as to why I'm the optimal candidate for this job and tell them blah, 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 blah. So you have to coach yourself in your head. Talk to yourself and tell yourself that you're going to do awesome. You are going to have the most positive outcome that can happen from this meeting, date, situation, whatever. And that's about it. So mind influences the body, and then use the body to influence the mind to change your state. Okay? Well, All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, john@warriorfitness.org, Jon. Hit me up on Facebook. It's facebook.com/warriorfitnessgym. And definitely check out our webpage, warriorfitness.org. Sign up for the newsletter. You get awesome content, great videos, and a free ebook. All right, guys? Thanks. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.